I'm John Howes, founder of Southwest Auto. We just celebrated our 34th year in business. It's very much like family because it really is family. I have both of my daughters work here, my wife works here. It is a family-owned and run facility.
It's not about nickels and noses. It's about relationships and building long-term relationships and also being consistent with them, taking care of their needs.
The whole focus is on the customer. We take care of our customers. The driving force behind all this and the cornerstone of our growth really, I think, has been telling the customer the truth.
Treated well. My initial call assuring me that the job would be done on time, assuring me that they can get me in a loaner. He explained everything about the issues that I was having with my car. They provided pictures of the components of my car and what they were working on and everything.